Hello everyone, welcome to the Codeness. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to use the CQRS design pattern with MediatR using SQL Server database. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to create the CURD operation in CQRS design pattern. For the architecture of the project, I am going to use clean architecture, and the database connectivity I am going to use entity framework core and database SQL Server. In this video, I am going to demonstrate you step by step how to create the handler and the query and the project, all those things in the separate video tutorial. So when you stuck in the some place, so you can go again back and check what you missed. So it's been easy way to learning. This video is basically for the beginner level who just started and don't want to learn the secure designing pattern. So stay with us. We will guide you in the each layer of the application, and also we are handling the actual issue faced in the production or in the live scenario. This not for the beginner, but we also include all the issues that are faced in the real world project application, like the error handling, duplicate validation, try catch, JSON response, all those things I will include in this video. So stay with us, we will guide you. Also I'm going to include in the migration, like how you add the unique field migration, existing updating the existing database, removing the existing field, validation, data annotations we are using in this demonstration. So this video I am concluding all those things that I have learned from my experience in my previous projects. So stay with us and check each video. If you require any other specification or other scenario you require how to handle this scenario, then you can ask in the comment box and email me personally, or if you stay in the Kharghar or nearby, then you can come to the Codeness Institute. So thank you for watching this video.